Did you know your favorite fruits can do wonders for your sexual wellness? Let's indulge in the goodness of nature. First up, bananas. More than just a quick snack. They're packed with potassium and B vitamins for that extra boost of energy. Now, the jewel-like pomegranates. Antioxidants galore to enhance blood circulation and keep your heart and desires in sync. Dive into the creamy goodness of avocados, healthy fats and vitamin E to keep your reproductive system in top-notch shape. Quench your thirst with watermelon, citrulline for improved blood flow, making sure everything below stays in top form. Explore the bounties of nature with these fruits. Follow at Get Inticured for more delightful insights. Share this reel to spread the fruity joy.